Um, Again, a resume is attractive if you tailor to that particular job role that you're applying to. So if you're applying to product manager role, product associate product manager role, and your resume shows experience that tailored to something else, a recruiter would look at that and feel that he or she is not a good fit for this role because they do not have relevant experience within that particular field. And when I say experience, it's through internships or the projects that you do at your university. So, irrespective of any sector that you apply to, the most important part is tailor your resume to the job role that you're applying to, rather than using an all fit uh, resume to apply for multiple jobs. Um, so, the basic thumb of rule with respect to a resume is if your experience is less than 5 years within the industry, you should stick to one page. Anything more than that, it doesn't adversely affect your application per se, but you feel the recruiter or a person who is reviewing your resume may feel that you're boosting up more than what you are required to, or you're putting in a experience that is more than what is required for an entry level job. Um, and if there are any specific projects or any specific reports or papers that you have worked on and you want to highlight and you feel that is very relevant to that particular role, then use that as part of your portfolio that you would submit in an application. So keep your resume aside and then use your project list or a project report as a part of your portfolio rather than putting all of that in the resume and extending the length of it.